I, like most of us, admire educated people. I appreciate people with higher learnings, those that have degrees, masters, doctorates, or even bachelors. When I go to a hospital with a severe headache or stomach pain, I appreciate the knowledge the doctor has in medicine, the knowledge that gives him the ability to prescribe the right medicine. Knowledge is not something that is inherited, it is sought after, meaning people need to seek this knowledge and it will be given to them, benefiting themselves and those around them. Today, more people are seeking a higher education than any other time in history. The quest for knowledge was evident in medieval Islamic world, as Muslims were urged throughout the Quran to seek knowledge, reflect upon it, and observe.
قل هل يستوي الذين يعلمون والذين لا يعلمون إنما يتذكر أولو الألباب.
This could explain why all over the Muslim world advanced education was taught in mosques, hospitals, schools, and homes of scholars, developing knowledge that eventually trickled into Europe. The word university and mosque in Arabic are closely related, for the word university is jamia, which is the feminine form of the Arabic word jami', mosque, meaning the place of worship and the place of advanced learning are linked together, which makes some of the oldest mosques in Islam universities. In Fez, Morocco, a young woman by the name of Fatima al-Fihri inherited a large sum of money from her father, who was a successful businessman. She vowed to spend her inheritance on building a mosque university for her hometown. She vowed to fast every day during the construction of this building. Once completed, it was opened to the public and soon developed into a center for religious institutions and political discussions. Soon and gradually it became a hub for education to all subjects, particularly the natural sciences, and so it earned the title of the first university in history. Some of the courses that were offered were astronomy, theology, law, arithmetics, geography, and medicine, and the list goes on, like grammar, Muslim history, chemistry, and mathematics. Universities spread throughout the Muslim world. These universities were anything but easy. A law student, for example, could take up to 20 years before finishing his graduate studies and before he could have his own professorial chair. Universities and higher education made its way into Europe towards the end of the 11th century. Many historians today say that the blueprints of the earliest English universities, like Oxford, came with these traveling, open-minded scholars and returning crusaders who, as well as visiting Muslim universities in places like Cordoba, brought back translated books based on traditional thought rather than confined to religious thought. Today, there are no less than 25,000 universities around the world that teach various subjects that are too great to enumerate. Imam al-Ghazali eloquently said, "Teach what you know to him who does not know, and learn from him who knows what you do not know. If you would do this, you would learn what you have not known and would retain what you have already known." Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.